Welcome to my first painting tutorial on this channel, and today we are gonna paint this very simple monochromatic moon painting in grayscale, which I took reference from Pinterest. You can see the reference on the screen right now. So let's begin. You can try painting this even if you're an absolute beginner with acrylic colors, because it's simple and only involves two colors, black and white, which we are eventually gonna mix throughout the process to create various shades of gray. And it's a lot of fun to actually make monochromatic paintings. So we will start painting the sky first. Since we have to show the moon illuminating, we have to paint it in a circular fashion. We will start by using darker shades and gradually we'll start adding lighter shades till we reach the center. So when we will paint the moon on top of it, it will look like the moon is shining radially. There is no specific rule on how dark or light the shade of the sky should be. Just make sure that the darkest shade of the sky should be lighter than the silhouette of the tree which we're going to draw later on the painting. Gradually keep on adding the white to the grays and blend the colors as you move inside to paint. Make sure to keep blending because the paint dries really fast sometimes. Some parts are not dark enough or light enough, you can add another layer and blend it just like I did on the edges, but make sure you blend it while it's wet. So now we are gonna draw the stars. Actually we are gonna spray the stars, so for that we need the white pigment and we have to dilute it as if we are doing watercolor, and then dip your brush just like shown and place the brush which is dipped in the watercolor on the downside just like shown and tap it with the help of another brush on the top and then gradually move it around the painting, and there you go, you have the stars. Now it's time to draw the moon. You can either use a compass to draw a circle or you can just gradually keep on drawing the circle with the help of pen brush and adjust the circumference with the paint if the circle gets out of shape. Now for drawing spots, it's not necessary that you have to make the spots as accurate as shown in the reference picture. Where the spots are darker, you have to paint it darker the way I'm painting, and on the edges you have to paint them lighter, especially on the right side and on the top side. Now gradually keep on painting and make sure to blend the edges of the spots. You can see that I got carried away and I made extra spots on the moon, but you can cover it up by applying some white paint on the top. Just make sure that before applying, the paint underneath is completely dried up, or else it will get mixed and the whole moon will become grey, which we don't want. Now let's proceed with drawing the silhouette of the tree with the help of black paint. You can use your own creative freedom to draw the tree, or you can also use the reference picture. Start by drawing the border of the trunk and then fill it up. After that, add the branches to the tree. So do not draw a lot of branches or the leaves clustered together on the trunk of the tree. When you are drawing branches and leaves on the moon, make sure that only little bit of moon's area is covered by them. And there we go, our painting is done. You can make this painting and gift someone if you are planning to give a really thoughtful yet inexpensive gift. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please drop a like and let me know through the comments, and if you want me to improve, I appreciate the feedback. See you again on Scoop Art with another artwork or painting, and you can subscribe me to stay tuned.